Welcome to passive voice present perfect. This structure shows actions completed at some indefinite time in the past with present relevance. Notice the key example: the book has been written. Here the focus is on the book, not who wrote it. Passive voice emphasizes what receives the action. Active voice uses subject plus has or have plus past participle. Passive voice changes object to subject plus has or have been plus past participle. The arrow shows this transformation pattern. This is the core rule for all present perfect passive sentences. Active, she has written the report. Passive, the report has been written by her. The object report becomes the subject. She has or have been plus past participle written plus by plus original subject. This maintains the present perfect meaning. Active, they have built the house. Passive, the house has been built by them. Plural subjects using have become has been in passive. The house receives the focus. Built is the past participle of build. By them shows the original doers. Active, the chef has cooked dinner. Passive, dinner has been cooked by the chef. Focus shifts from chef to dinner result. Has been cooked uses singular has. Past participle cooked receives the action emphasis typical in passive constructions. Active, he has completed the assignment. Passive, the assignment has been completed by him. Action result gets emphasized over doer. Assignment becomes subject. Has been completed shows completion with present relevance. Doer often omitted when unimportant. Active, we have cleaned the house. Passive, the house has been cleaned by us. Practice this transformation. House moves to subject position. Have cleaned becomes has been cleaned. By us identifies original doers of cleaning action. Active, they have finished the project. Passive, the project has been finished by them. Final practice confirms the pattern. Project receives focus as new subject. Has been finished maintains present perfect meaning. You now master this structure.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.